Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm sharing with you one of the greatest store which is popular all over the world. Let's shop at Sephora. Let's go inside. This store is located at the Mall at Millenia in Orlando, Florida. So as you can see, there are a lot of people walking around, and now we're gonna walk inside the store and let me show you what they have. Outside they have a very nice sign of Drunk Elephant, which is one of my favorite brands. As you can see at the front, they have Proteiny's hot cousin proteins that serum that came out from Drunk Elephant. They have their unique and nice stuff outside. One of them is from Huda Beauty that I'll be showing you later. Now on the entrance, they have some stuff from Mercier, Olaplex. I see they have concealers, they have moisturizers from different brands. Now I'm showing you Tatcha, which is also a very popular brand. You can see they have some skin stuff from that company. They have pore cleanser, they have exfoliants, oil-free hydration, eye treatments, and different kind of creams from that brand. On the left again, they have Tatcha, different primers, and they have face wash from the company, and they have face mask. So at the entrance they usually have their nicest stuff. Now I'm showing you another one which is also very popular, Kiehl's. And at Mall at Millenia they also have a separate store of this company. They have very nice skin stuff, like they have toners, they have moisturizer, they have stuff for every kind of skin. They also have some sunscreens from that company. Now they have a separate section for the next big thing, which means the nicest things that are new stuff that are coming. As you can see, these are the newest products or the newest line that is coming in. Patrick TA, which is their newest brand, which will be here. Now I'm going to show you some Sephora collection. Here everything is under $20, so if you wanna get something better than drugstore makeup, you can come to Sephora and get their own brands. Their makeup is actually not very bad. They have a good quality stuff. You can find face concealer, you can find foundation, eyeshadows, loose powder, and whatnot. Everything is under $20 in this section, and very good quality makeup. And you can see they have a huge variety of things from their own brand. Now I'm showing you one of my favorite brands, which is Huda Beauty. Who doesn't know Huda? So you can see they have everything available in store, from their very popular eyeshadow palettes to their foundations, concealers. Huda has progressed so much in past few years that you have to get Huda. Like their lipsticks, their lip glosses are so good, such good quality and long lasting, that I would personally highly recommend this brand. If you're looking into investing into a good kind of makeup, go for Huda. But all her products are amazing. So after Huda, I'm showing you Dior. Dior is very popular for their fragrances, but their makeup is also very good quality. They have all the stuff that you need, from lipstick to blush-ons, foundation, concealers, everything that you need is here. And they have 24 hours wear radiant perfection foundation, airbrush makeup. You can find everything. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, that has come up in past 2 years actually. My favorite thing from our collection is her lipsticks, very good. Everyone is familiar with Nars. Nars is one of a very renowned brand, and that has been there forever. So personally, I also like their lip glosses, but I have not tried their foundation, but I have heard good things about it. They have this section, and they have a very huge section for Nars as well. You can see they have lipsticks, they have mascaras, they have foundations. Everything that you need is here. They have both kinds of liquid and powdered foundation. They have concealers, as you can see. So at Sephora, there are a lot of people who can help you. If you are looking for the color of your foundation, they can come and they can test on your skin and help you. which is very good and convenient, so you don't just walk around and you're just wondering what color foundation or what color concealer I should get. So after Nars, there's a new company. It's called Ilia. I have never seen this before. This must be new. So you can see they also have every kind of stuff you need, from foundation to lipsticks, highlighters. Everything is here. So I will read more about it and see how it is. But personally, I cannot give you any review about this, but I'm sure it's good because they have a big section. IT Cosmetics is one of my favorite. Their CC cream I have used and it is amazing. If you want a substitute for foundation, I would definitely recommend getting a CC plus cream with SPF. It also protects you from sun. Now we're at Tarte. Tarte is very popular for their concealers. If you want a good concealer, go for Tarte. I have not tried their other makeup stuff, but their concealer is the best. But everything that you need is available. They have two different kinds. They have Tarte C and they have Tarte. And you can see how beautiful it looks. One of their eyeshadow palette was very beautiful, so I took a closer look at it. I'll show you. You can see their mascaras, very nice. And here's the palette, which was very nice. And now we're looking at Too Faced. Too Faced is also very popular. Too Faced is popular in a sense. Personally, I really like their packaging. They're very beautiful. You can see Dare to Go Bare, which is very cute. And they have a eyeshadow palette which is called Teddy Bear. And their mascaras are very, very good, very volumizing. So if you're looking for good mascara, I would recommend going for Too Faced. And their packaging, I'll show you. They have actually changed their blush on and their packaging for the highlighter. It used to be a heart before, but now they have these cute golden packaging. But they still have the hearts for the highlighters right there. You can see at the bottom, it's called Sweethearts. Very pretty. I'm actually a huge fan of their packaging. And they also have very nice foundations, both liquid and powdered foundations. Next, we're looking at Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier is very popular all over the world. Their foundations are amazing, very nice coverage. You can see they have oil-free, moisturizing foundations, and they have powdered foundation, lipsticks. Everything that you need is here. And it's very easy to find your skin color in this company because they have a huge variety and it's very good. And they have loose setting powders as well. They have primers and whatnot. Next, I'm showing you Milk. So I have not personally used anything from Milk, but it has come up in past few years. And its packagings are very pretty actually. You can see how cute it is and very colorful. And here they have a little studio where you can get your makeup done. It's closed due to COVID, of course. Now I'm showing you Benefit. Benefit is also very, very popular. Their bronzer is the one that came up and it became very popular, and their brow pencils are also very popular. I'll show you their bronzer. This is the brow section. You can see how huge it is because they're popular for that. Here's their blush on and their bronzer, Huda Benefit, which I have personally used and I think it's really good. And you can see they have mascaras, they have everything. They have tints and highlighters. They are highlighters actually. They have liquid tints which are also very popular. Urban Decay. Everybody knows about Urban Decay. It was one of the first brands that I ever used. And I'm a huge fan of Urban Decay actually. Their eyeshadow palette, which is called Naked 1, Naked 2, Naked 3, very popular. And I own quite many of them actually. So here it is. They have very beautiful colors in their eye pencils, liquid. They have eyeshadows. Everything is very nice. Their foundation is very good and very long lasting. They have both medium coverage and full coverage foundations. Next, Drunk Elephant is one of the very nice brand. I really like the colors, and their stuff and their quality is absolutely amazing. They have very nice serums, very nice toners, very nice cleanser. So if you want nice skin product, I would highly recommend this brand. Anything you buy from this company is pricey, but it's worth it. So see how beautiful it looks. So on the right side they have Sephora collection, and this is a whole section they have dedicated to their fragrances. I couldn't go closer with a lot of people there, but you can buy a perfume from Sephora as well. Now I'm going to show you one of the other brand which is my favorite. It's called Peter Thomas Roth. I personally like their face mask. They used to have this whole pack of 6 face masks that I purchased a few years ago, and I really liked it. And they also have that eye patches, which is cucumbers. It's very good for puffiness and dark circles. So here you can see they have a very huge collection, very nice product. It's a very good company. If you're looking out for skin products, go for this company. And they also have acne treatments. Next, I'll be showing you one of the brands that I liked. Here it is. The colors were absolutely amazing, and they had a lot of body creams. Coco Cabana cream. They had Italian Bum cream. So it was very cute to see all these named, actually not Italian, Brazilian Bum creams. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.